Hey everybody! This is just a video kind of explaining how to navigate Schoology for some of you who may not know how to log on. So I'm just going to start here from the main Google page. So you would type in schoology.washk12.org. Hit enter. Normally it would pull up like a little Google sign in. And I'm currently signed in as a student so that I can show you this from a student view. So let's see. So you would have to log in with the school email in order for them to be in my class. So the class that they're in is right here. It's the section 4 or grade 4 section 14-344 instructor Corey Orton. So you'll click on that. This will have all of our stuff for our remote learning. So I have a remote learning folder right here. You'll click into that and it has everything that you will need for the schedule that I send out, everything that they'll be doing. So it has Redbird, has Lexia, has Imagine Learning. So most students will just be doing Redbird and Lexia. If they have finished Lexia twice, they'll move on to Imagine Learning. I'll just go ahead and click on one of these so you can see what happens. So if I hit this, it'll give me the link for Lexia, which you can just copy and paste, or it has the link right here down here below. And it tells the steps, click to log on. So it explains everything. Same thing with Redbird. And they actually get to Redbird through Schoology. There's not a link. So if you come right over here to the left-hand side of the screen, there's a McGraw-Hill. They will click that. They know how to get onto Redbird through there. Okay, so Imagine Learning is also linked right here. Please remember, most students are doing Lexia and Redbird. It's only a few that are doing Imagine Learning. Okay, so on here I have posted morning videos. So each morning I'll post a video, kind of just like I do in class, where they can see me. I introduce the day, kind of what's going to be happening. And I think it'll be good for them to be able to see me. So they'll just click on this and it'll have a link for my YouTube video, and they can also write a comment below after the video. We've also been reading a book called Max and the Gatekeeper, and I want to continue to do this throughout the year. So if they hit Max and the Gatekeeper, here's day 1. It's already linked. When they finish it, it's about a 10-minute video. I want them to comment below and tell me what they think will happen next. So here is our math. So we're going to start with 4x1 digit multiplication. They'll click on that. They'll first hit this math review, and it has it all, has the whole description of what they need to do. They'll get points for this assignment. When they're done, we want them to submit a picture of their work, like a piece of paper, so that we know that they did the actual work instead of maybe just putting it in a calculator. So they have 5 questions. If they have any comments or any questions, they can do it in the comments, but they will submit their picture by hitting submit assignment. And they will then hit file, and they can upload a picture from there. So you will have to save the picture to your computer or phone, iPad, whatever they're using, and upload it there. And they can add a little comment about what it is, but I will be checking for that to make sure that they are showing their work. After they have this, they do not want to throw their paper away, because once they submit that, they'll go on to our quick check. And the quick check is, it does say, so they'll click the quick check, and it'll have them put their answers from their math review, and it'll actually grade it for them. We do want them to get 80% or above. So if they get below 80%, they have unlimited amount of tries, or I think they have like 21 tries. Anyways, we want them to get at least 80%, and it'll grade it for them and tell them their score and tell them which ones they got wrong, and they can go back and correct those. So there's our math. And I'll let them know I'll let you guys know on the weekly schedule as to what we'll be working on. First, we're doing 4x1, then we'll do 2x2. We're reviewing multiplication first before we move on to anything. Okay, so I will post our weekly schedules here. They'll be in the form of a Google Doc. They'll be here, and I'll just actually show you guys what they'll look like while we're on here. Okay, so our first week schedule will look a little like this. Since it's only 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it'll have what we want them doing daily, their math lesson. Our ELA will be on Pear Deck, which will be student paced. They know how to get to Pear Deck. They know what to do on Pear Deck. And I also attached extra activities. Now, what our normal weekly schedule when we have a full week will look like, it'll look like this. It'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, independent reading time. We do want them doing Lexia. I will have the the different ELA, the Pear Deck for 3 days and doing some writing, math review, doing Redbird, and then typing each day. Oh. Sorry. So the Cincinnati Zoo is a great way for our science, and then they have a lot of extra activities that they can do. So this is what our weekly schedule will look like. And like I said, that will all be posted in Schoology. Schoology is pretty easy to navigate. The only thing they have to do is they only have one course, and that's with me. It has Redbird, Lexia, Imagine Learning again, morning videos that they can watch each morning, Max and the Gatekeeper videos to keep up with our book, and we have the math lessons. And I will post anything else on here. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I will do my best to answer the questions. I hope most of you guys are able to see my email yesterday. So thank you.